Ready to unlock the mystery of why your Visa gift card is getting rejected online? Let's dive into the quick fixes that can get your purchase approved in under 90 seconds. First things first, activation. Flip your card over and scratch off the security label, then look for a toll-free number or website link, usually printed right on the back, and follow the instructions to activate your card. Many cards aren't ready to roll until this is done. Next, double-check that you're entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV code correctly at checkout. Even a single wrong digit can cause a decline. This is a big one. Billing address. Most online retailers require you to enter a billing address that matches the one associated with your gift card. If you didn't register an address when you activated the card, try using your own home address or the card issuer's address, which can often be found on their website. Don't forget to check your balance. You can usually do this online, by phone, or at an ATM. Make sure you have enough funds to cover the entire purchase, including shipping and taxes. A common mistake is trying to use the card for an amount greater than its value. And sometimes there may be a small activation fee that reduces the initial balance. Lastly, some websites might not accept prepaid cards or might have restrictions on their use. If you've tried all these steps and your card is still being declined, contact the gift card issuer directly to see if there are any limitations or blocks on your card. Hopefully, this helps. Now you can get back to shopping.